Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission today to write a system of inequalities from graph. So let us start. We'll write a system of equality for each graph here. I will start with 22 here. Okay, now this graph we have two lines. That means we have two inequalities, yes? Okay, I will start with the blue one here. How I can write the inequality for this line. Actually, we have to determine the area here. You see, the area of the solution for this line, it is up, yes, and the line is solid. Okay, solid mean continuous line, yes, not dashes. So this is the area, it is up the line, so I will start every time with y, okay, and it is greater, it is above the line, so it is greater, it is solid, so this is the inequality sign for the solid line, and stop and take your breath and write. Don't write anything now. We done from this. Okay, and let us check the y-intercept directly. The y-intercept for the blue line. We are still in the blue line here, yes, which is +2. So I will write here +2 and write the x +2. Okay, my dear student, let me erase this. So it is x +2. Now some students ask me, teacher, why you write x here? All of time you have x, and +2 here, it is the y-intercept. Now one missing thing, I have to bring the coefficient of x. That's come from where? Yes, that come from okay, that's come from the slope, rise over run. Let us start. This is the first nice point, the y-intercept. The second one, it is come from here. This is the second nice point. As you see, you need to move down 2 steps. Move down 2 steps, that means -2, and 1 step to the right, that means over 1. So the first inequality for this graph, it is -2 over 1x +2. Now this one I can write it -2 directly, okay? So don't worry about it. So it is -2x +2. Okay, my dear student, we're done. This is the first inequality, or the first inequality that come from the blue line here. Okay, again, the blue line, okay, it is solid line, and the area for this, the blue line, it is coming from here above, because of that is greater. Okay, the inequality sign, it is solid, not dashes, solid. Okay, and the y-intercept, give me this number, and the x exists each time. Okay, don't think about it, and the -2 come from 2 down and 1 to the right. Okay, so this is the first inequality. Now let us draw the second line here. As you see, the graph holds two lines, and the second line is the red line here, the dashes here. Okay, this is the one. Okay, first of all, determine the area. Where is the area for this line? Actually, it is here. Okay, it is down. So directly I write y, okay, and it is down, that means less, and it is dashes, no inequality sign, and I can write the x here, okay, and waiting where he or this line intersect or cross the y axis. It is clearly here, yes, with -2. So -2. I will write here -2. Okay, now the coefficient of x, it's come from rise over run, the slope, yes. I will draw like this and determine the second nice point. Actually, the second nice point, it is come here. Now I will move from down to up or up to down. It is up to you. So let I move from down to up. Actually, it is from here. I move 1, 2, 3. So 3 up. I will write here 3 and 1 to the right. So 1 down. Okay, 3 over 1. All of my students know that 3 over 1, it is 3, yes. Okay, my dear students, so this is the second inequality. So the system, okay, it is y greater than -2x plus 2 and y less than 3x -2. Okay, my dear student, so this system represent this graph. Let us move to 23 here. I like to erase everything before and start over here. Now I will start with the blue one here. It is dashes, as you see, so there is no equal sign. And let me determine the area for this line. Actually, and clearly it is down. See, it is down. Why it is not up, teacher? See here, this area, it is empty. Yes, yes, because of that I know it is down, not above. Okay, down means less, so y less. And take a breath and go and check the y-intercept, my dear student. The y-intercept here, clearly it is here, it is 0. That means there is no y-intercept. Okay, but I still have x all of time exists, by the way. So teacher, can I write like this plus 0? Yes, you can write, and you can not. Okay, now I have to choose another intercept or another nice point, and clearly it is here. Clearly it is here. This is another nice point, and I move from down to up. So look, 1, 2, 3 to the left. That means -3 and 1 up. Okay, I did a mistake here. Because it is rise over run, not run over rise. So again, we start from here. Okay, so I have to rise. Okay, so 1 is clear for you. It is okay. It is 1 up. Yes, 1 up over 1, 2, 3 to the left. 3 to the left. See, 1, 2, 3 to the left. You see, so to the left mean -3. So we done. Okay, so this is the first line. The second line, the red one here, as you see, it is solid, and the area for this line, clearly it is down also. Yes, that's mean less. So I will write y less again, but it is solid. See, it is solid. It is solid, not dashes. If it is dashes, I keep it like this. But because it is solid, I have to put the equal sign, equality sign. Yes, nice. And the x exist, or you can find it anytime. And the y-intercept, as you see, it is here. It is 1 2, so plus 2 here. Now finally, rise over run. Remember, don't move left or right at the first step. You have to move up or down, then left or right. So this is the first point, or first nice point. The second nice point, clearly it is here. يا مرحبا بدك الله. Okay, so I will move from up to down or down to up. It is up to you. I will move from here. 1 2 up. Yes, this is 2 up. And to the right, 1 2. So 2 over 2. And 2 over 2, you know that it is 1. So no need to write anything here, because 2 over 2 equal 1. And the coefficient 1 is every time is hidden. So this is the second inequality. Okay, my dear student, let us move here. The blue one here, it is dashes. And where is the area? Clearly it is down. So y less. So I will write y is less. And because it is dashes, no equal sign. Remember that. I will clear everything here and write x here, and see the y-intercept. It is 1 2 3 plus 3, yes, and waiting to find the coefficient of x. This is the first nice point. I have to determine the second one. Clearly it is here. Now I will move up 1 2 3 steps up, so it is positive, and 1 2 to the left mean minus, -2. We done. So it is y less is less 3 over -2. Teacher, can I write it like this? The negative up? Yes, it is the same, my dear student. Now, the second line, this one. It is the easiest one, okay? So, because it is intersect with the x, so you have to write x this time. Okay? And see the area of the solution move to the left. Yes? Sorry, to the left. Left mean less again. And it is dashes. Bravo, there is no equal sign. Okay. So, x less, what is the number here? Clearly it is 1. So x less 1. We done. Teacher, that mean if the line is a vertical, the all of time it is x? Yes. And because it is less to the left, it is always less? Yes. Left less. Okay? And the number that we get it from here, it is where the line passes through here. Yes, the x-axis. Yes, the one here in this time. Okay, my dear student, Okay, number 25 and the last graph. I will start from the blue one. Okay, if the vertical line here, if the vertical line started with X, the horizontal line must start with Y, okay, without thinking. So Y, and the area, determine where is the area of the solution. Yes, it is shaded up. Yes, colored up. Okay, that means greater. And because it is solid, there are equal sign. And where he hit the y-axis, it is 1. Let me make sure. It is 1, 2. So it is 2. So I'm finished, or I'm done from this. Now the second line, which is this one, the dashes one here. Okay, it is dashes and it is above. Above mean greater. So y greater, stop, no equal sign because it dashes. Okay, and we do what we did before, x, and draw like this, and bring where the line hit the y-axis, the y-intercept, it is 1, and it is positive 1 actually. So like this. Teacher, what this? It is a minus here? No, no, my dear student, it is a fraction sign. Yes, don't do it, I will not confuse you. Now I have to bring the coefficient of x, rise over run, here the rise and here the run. Okay, two nice point you said, teacher. This is the first one. Where's the second one? Okay, you can get this one. This is nice. And also this one is nice. Anyone you can take. You know the nice point means. Okay, I will take this one. Okay, it need to move, to rise 1, 2 up, and move 1, 2 to the right. So 2 over 2 equal, yes, 1, as my dear student know, 1, and all the 1 or the coefficient called 1 is hidden. So this is the second inequality, and this is the system. Okay, my dear student, thank you for watching, and I hope you get all the benefit how you write a system of inequalities from graph, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.